Today I'm going to show you how I went from this incredibly lame braid to this totally badass braid. If you guys like this type of content, then don't forget to subscribe down below, give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. Let's go. The first thing I did was put my hair into a middle parted mid-head ponytail. As you can see, my fine hair has not been washed in several days, so it's looking all sorts of bad. One of the products that I like to use a lot for really sleek hairstyles is this Matrix Biolage Agave Nectar Control Gel. It provides a really nice slick hold, but it's not sticky at all. I also always reach for Sebastian Shaper. It's my ride or die hairspray. I don't really use any other hairspray when styling hair other than this one and Shaper Plus. Okay, so now to make the actual braided section, I use the Sassy Collection Jumbo Braid 100% Kanekalon hair. I got this at Sally's for about $5 Canadian. I also had some lighter Kanekalon hair hanging around, so I decided to add it because I have lighter tones in my hair and I wanted my braid to have swirls of 2 tones so that it looks a little bit more real and more natural. The first thing that I do is bend the hair in half, and then I take an elastic and loop it through this way so it's holding the hair like this. Then we're going to take that hair and loop it through our ponytail. I'm going to show you a really cool trick now to hide your elastic. You can do this even when you put your hair in a ponytail without extensions or without anything. I just learned it and it is amazing. You are going to take a topsy tail tool. If you don't have one, get one. I'll leave a link in the description box. You are going to take a section of the fake hair or your hair, if you're just doing this with your hair, and start wrapping it around the ponytail. When you get around once or twice, insert the stick end of the topsy tail tool and wrap the hair around the tool. Once you get to the end, thread it through the loop and pull the tool through the hair. You do not even need to secure this with the bobby pin. It's totally secure and looks amazing. Now we can move on to the fun part. You want to divide the hair into 3 equal sections, then just start braiding. Ignore your own hair and braid it into the extensions. It's really that easy. Once you get to the end, secure it off with an elastic. If you want to take this a step further and you want the braid to be wider, you can do that by gently pulling on either side of the braid to widen it. My only word of caution when doing this, because I've done this and messed it up so many times, is that the wider the braid, the looser the braid. Looks amazing, but if you have short hair like mine or hair that, is sticking out, when you widen the braid, your little bits of hair are going to start sticking out. So sometimes I recommend actually just widening the base here, not too much so there isn't a huge contrast, but keeping this upper top section tighter because you need the security in the top section to hold and hide your hair. And then this, because this isn't your hair, you can add a little bit of width. And there you have it. I totally feel Tomb Raider vibes. I feel sexy as hell. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you try this, definitely tag me on Instagram at GlamGirlGabby. I love seeing what you guys come up with. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.